Welcome to PRISCI Educational Academy. Today we are going to study the second order differential equation with constant coefficient. Capital D is equal to d by dx. Capital D square is equal to d square divided by dx square. Number one, when roots are distinct or different, m1, m2, the complementary function is y is equal to c1x plus c2 c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. Let us see one example. Solve d square plus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to 0. First you have to write the answer is the auxiliary equation is m square. For a d you have to apply m. So m square plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. So you have to factorize. If you factorize, m plus 2 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2, comma m is equal to minus 3. These two roots are different or distinct. That's why we can write to the complementary function is y is equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 e power minus 3x. If the right hand side of the given problem is 0, then there is no particular integral. The second one, when roots are equal, m1 is equal to m2, then the complementary function is y is equal to, there are two ways to write the complementary function. Y is equal to c1x plus c2 e power m1x, or y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power mx. So example, solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Answer is the auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. If you factorize this, m plus 2 into m plus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 2 minus 2. So 2 times repeated roots, equal roots. So the complementary function is y is equal to c1x plus c2 into e power minus 2x. Number 3, when roots are complex numbers. Complex numbers means alpha plus or minus I into beta. Then the complementary function is y is equal to e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Let us see one example for third one. Solve d square plus 4d plus 5 into y is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. So m square plus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can find the quadratic equations formula of minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. This is the formula. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5. So minus b minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 square 16 minus 4 a is 1, c is 5 whole divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 20 divided by 2. So this can be written as minus 2 plus or minus I. Then the complementary function is y is equal to e power minus 2x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Next, let us see the rules to find the particular integral. If a right hand side is exponential, if right hand side is trigonometry, if the right hand side is polynomial. So if the right hand side is exponential, e power ax. Example, solve d square plus 4d plus 5 is equal to e power 2x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic equations formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5. Okay, so if you apply in this formula, you will get minus 2 plus or minus I. The complementary function is y is equal to e power minus 2x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Then the particular integral, why we are finding the particular integral here? Because the right hand side is exponential. If the right hand side is trigonometry, if the right hand side is polynomial, so here is the right hand side value. So particular integral is 1 divided by d square plus 4d plus 5 into e power 2x. The complementary function for this problem is y is equal to e power minus 2x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So particular integral is 1 divided by d square plus 4d plus 5 into e power 2x. So for exponential, you have to apply d is equal to 2. So 1 divided by 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into e power 2x. So 1 divided by 4 plus 8 plus 5 into e power 2x is equal to e power 2x divided by 17. So the general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function is y is equal to e power minus 2x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus e power 2x divided by 17. So let us see on one more problems. Solve d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power 2x. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. M minus 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 2. So the complementary function is y is equal to c1x plus c2 into e power 2x. So one particular integral is 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 into e power 2x. For d, you have to apply 2. So 1 divided by 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 4 e power 2x. So e power 2x divided by 0. In this situation, you have to multiply x in the numerator and differentiate denominator with respect to capital D. So the equation number 1 becomes x divided by 2d minus 4 into e power 2x. Again, you have to apply d is equal to 2. So it will become 0. Again, you have to use the same rule in equation number 2. Same rule means differentiate, multiply x in the numerator and differentiate denominator with respect to d. So x square by 2 e power 2x. General solution is complementary function plus particular integral, which is equal to y is equal to c1x plus c2 into e power 2x plus x square by 2 into e power 2x. So thank you.